Hey everyone! Today we'll see how to fetch records with custom filters and pagination in Spring Data JPA. This way, you can get any number of records dynamically without hard coding values and filter results easily. See the query on my screen? Last time, we fetched the top 5 records. Now, we want it dynamic with pagination. The best part, Spring Data JPA already gives us methods for this, no custom code needed. After watching this video, you'll easily know what repository method to use for fetching records for this query. In this video, we're going to fetch employees ordered by salary, filtered by department, and we'll do it dynamically using pagination. Alright, let's focus only on the selected part of the query. For now, ignore the order by and limit. If we do that, then only the select part with the department filter is left, right? The select part with the department filter, we already know what the repository method name and signature should be. We've discussed this multiple times in previous videos, so this part is familiar. Alright, let's write the repository method for this. Find by department, and it will take the department as a parameter. Alright, now the order by and limit part is left, right? But the good news, for ordering and limiting, we don't need to change the method name. Here we want pagination, and Spring Data JPA already provides a class called Pageable from the org.springframework.data.domain package. All we need to do is take a Pageable object as a method parameter, and Spring will handle ordering and limiting automatically. Okay, it's done. But wait a minute, here's an important tip. If you don't care about pagination details like total pages, total elements, etc., that's totally fine. Spring will just fetch the employees and return them. And if you only want the top records, just send page 0, because page numbering starts from 0. But if you do want pagination details, like total pages, total elements, and so on, instead of returning a list of employee, you should return a page of employee. This gives you all the pagination info along with the employees for the requested page. Based on your use case, you can decide what makes sense for your API. For now, I'm returning a page of employee, but you can try both approaches yourself, returning a list of employee or a page of employee, so you can see what happens in each case and learn the difference. Alright, now let's call this from our REST API. Take the page number as request param. And page size. Here, we want to sort by salary in descending order. First, we need to create a sort object. If you're not sure how to do this, click on the icon I've shown on the screen. I've explained it in one of my previous videos. Next, we need to create a Pageable object. If you're not familiar with Pageable and Pagination, click on the icon. I've explained it in a previous video. See, it takes page number, page size, and the sort object. Remember, page number starts from 0, so the first page is 0, second page is 1, and so on. Alright, now let's call our repository method. This one returns a page of employee. But in this demo, we're not going to return the full pagination details like total pages or total elements. If you want that, I've already explained it in one of my earlier videos. You can check that out. Here, we'll just extract and return the list of employees from the page. Start the application. Alright, now let's hit our API. Developer Department. Page number 1. And page size 10. Awesome. You can see we got 10 records in the response. And if you look closely, the data is perfectly sorted by employee salary in descending order. So, the highest paid employees appear right at the top, exactly what we wanted. Alright, now let's hit the API for page number 2. Now look at the console log carefully, you'll see something interesting here. Spring JPA actually runs 2 queries, one for fetching the employee records, and another one for counting the total number of records. This count query is used to calculate things like total pages and total elements. But here's a quick tip: if you only need the list of employees and don't care about total counts or pagination details, you can simply return a list of employee instead of a page of employee. In that case, the count query won't run, and your query will execute a bit faster. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. In the next video, we'll take it one step further. We'll see how to handle complex queries where the method name alone isn't enough, and how to write and execute those custom queries easily. So make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and press the bell icon so you don't miss the next one.